and I am back with another video. And for today's video, we are not gonna have any gameplay or pranks or ano pa ba? Nothing else. So today we're gonna be an informative person and you're gonna be informed about best or most views content ideas for today. So YouTube has 13 main niche, which are film animation, vehicles, music, pets and animals, sports, travel and events, gaming, people and vlogs, comedy, entertainment, news and politics, how-to, and lastly, education. But we are gonna talk about the 5 main niche that people always watch about. What are these? It is music, gaming, entertainment, how-tos, and lastly, education. First, let's talk about music. If you're a person who loves to sing, who loves to listen to music, then you went to the right place again. What are the ideas or content ideas on music? First is performance piece. Second, DIY music videos. Third is album or music review. Lastly is compilations to the concert. Next is if you are a person who loves to play games or very addicted to games, then again, I have a lot of content ideas for you, but I will just tackle the main ideas. First is playing video games like Minecraft, Roblox, Among Us, Fortnite, and etc. Next, you can have some gameplays, live streaming in Mobile Legends. So these are my examples. This. Okay, next. Entertainment. This is one of the biggest branch or niche in YouTube. Why? Because it is entertaining. So what are these content ideas I can give to you? First is unboxing, interviewing people, playing games, room tour, live events like this, a day in my life, pranks like this, mukbang, ASMR, and more. Lastly, if you want to help our fellow viewers, then you can make some how-tos and tutorials in videos. So the contents I can suggest to you is that if you're good in teaching, then you can teach languages, or like if you're good in math and not good in math, you can make some how to solve this or that. You can use also a content like how to use that or this. So also you can have a tutorial if you're a techie person, then you can have a tutorial about how to edit or whatsoever, or tutorial if you're good in makeup, okay, you can have a makeup tutorial. What else? In drawing, in art. So YouTube has a lot of content. Just stick to your talent. And guys, that is all for my video. That's my content suggestions. I have a message for you, which is in making a video, try to be original as you can and always have fun. Because in making some videos, it will always be you who will think of your own content because you're the one who will video it and edit it. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below.
Sayang mga choy! Here, somebody gave this to me.
Who? Whoa!
She told it. Vlog this!
And then?
Vlog it!
Okay guys, so my tito wants
Ano?
to give me this!
Diba guys?
He wants me to open this. So easy. And then he asked me to vlog this. This
Okay,
video
guys.
is requested by Mr. Daniel. Yeah. To Dan. Here's. Okay guys, so let's open this. I don't know what's its name. Ching Chong Chang. Joke. Ay, lalagay ko na nandun guys. We're opening it right now. Oh, ay! It's on me! Oh my god!
I opened that 100%.
Look! What? What's this?
Gravity.
I have to open this thingy. What the?
Scam. It's a scam.
Wait lang.
Kaya mo yun,
I have
girl.
to open this. Oh, I see. I think, wait. I'm gonna
Try
do
to.
this. No. Oh my god! My notebook! Oh no! That's a surprise! Tito Den! What is this? Oh, it's a candy? Look, it's melting, guys. See?
There's something in.
There's some bubble here. It smells like a strawberry cotton candy. Yeah, so I'm soaking wet. I'm wet. Oh no. Ah! My script! Oh my god. Okay, so
It's soda. It's pretty good.
Man, it's a soda. But oh my god. I'm so wet. You see guys, there's a ball here. You can see the ball. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I love you all again. Thank you for watching. This is the blooper. So then thank you for this. You surprised me. You made me very wet. I like it.